Hello everyone, welcome back to Technic. This is Sanit. Please subscribe, like, hit the bell icon for more updates. So, in this video, we are going to know how to apply FSSAI Internship 2025, eligibility steps and apply with a stipend of 10,000 rupees. Let's dive into the video. I will mention the link in the description. Go to that and apply. So, firstly, eligibility criteria. So, I'm a BTech pursuing, so I selected BTech. Place of internship, I selected headquarters New Delhi. There is no option in my locality, Hyderabad. So I choose the New Delhi. So next department, so I will go with IT. So next Mr. You have to enter name without any mistakes and as per our academic records. Next, you have to enter your father's name. After that, you have to enter your date of birth as per your records. Please don't mention any fault or irrelevant information that can lead to cancel your internship for this company for lifelong. Okay, enter the date of birth. After that, you have to enter your mailing address. So nothing but your address which you are present living. Okay, for mailing address. So after you have to enter state Telangana, pin code. After that, you have to enter your email address, right? For communication through, so there is total communication through only email address and normal messaging. Okay. After that, you have to enter mobile number. Next, course currently pursuing. So I'm pursuing BTech. So I have to enter BTech. Next, name of the current university institute or institute. So you have to enter your college name without any special characters, right? So next, you have to enter your course duration in months, not in years. Please check while entering the details. Months. So my course is 4 years duration, so I am entering for 8 months. After that, you have to fill this total education qualification details as per showing. If you have any doubt, take a screenshot and pass them. Enter the details. Next, major products you have taken. Why you are applying for this internship. Next, you have to choose photo of my resume. Okay, you have to upload your photo and resume. Then after that, confirm submit. Okay, so we'll get your all details through messaging or email, so you can check later. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.